this hair, if you just need you want to go, you are husband snatcher, or you have been doing bad things in town towards people, go and get this kind of hair, so that at least they throw butter on your head not go slash. Go and get this kind of hair. It's helpful. I just had to bring it out so that una no go say at least she didn't just analyze, she brought solution too. What happened? This person alerted all of us that it don't happen. Alaja in the mud. I said, which Alaja? Is it Alaja that went to Mecca, or fake Alaja? You understand? Is it real Alaja? Because how can a real Alaja be in the mud? I'm getting better. I'm getting better, Elisa. Hey, let me greet. Where's my manners? I know some of you will say, I'm a boni me. I didn't even greet. Where's my manner? Good news, Mercy. You are welcome. Thank you for coming on board. It's Monday morning. We are not supposed to be doing violence on Monday morning. See that we are at work. Yeah, I'm on holiday. So it's either you are at work or you are praying to God. If you don't have a job, you'll be praying that God gives you. Or you're self-employed. Exactly. At work. Anyone self-employed, or you are working for somebody, you know. But yeah, I'm on holiday. So I can help Violence Headquarters to come and announce that they have broken Mercy's head. You know, let me just give you, for some of you that are just getting to understand what is happening on the media. Mercy Aigbe snatched Adekas. She snatched Adekas, sote with talk. She not here. She snatched Adekas, sote. She can't barb Adekas hair on the media. She snatched Adekas, sote. Even me, I receive water over this matter. Some people say, the wife come meet me. Why am I crying? Even some people like Daddy Freeze and co supported Mercy by saying Adekas is a Muslim. What is our own? Those of us that are saying Mercy is husband snatcher. She snatched Adekas, sote. People like her, husband snatchers like her, they were abusing those of us that are against her wickedness towards a fellow woman. She snatched Adekas, sote. She went into Adeka's house that she not send us. The house that Adekas and the wife Funsho, beautiful Jeje Lomo, Oniwa Tutu, a woman on her lane, the mother of 3, the mother of all Adeka's children. In fact, she snatched Adekas, sote. She now went on their stairway and went and started doing Sia. You know Sia? I don't send. She went and said dancing Joeleya. She snatched Adekas, sote. They went to one girl like that. I don't know the girl. Went and said cursing in Mecca. A girl that is supposed to be praying for her life so that her life will be good. She said everybody that don't want the marriage between Adekas and that she that prayed, that all of them, they will die. I was looking. Have we cursed? We have never cursed on this platform. A prayer show we did not mention here. Even I know that people that are supporting Funsho, no, I don't think any of them, because everybody is just saying, Mercy, what you did is wrong. Those of us are against her. She snatched Adekas, sote. Eventually, quiet Funsho was forced to voice out. The lady played maturity, tote, they frustrate her. Mercy frustrates her. The woman came out and talked and gave us lowdown of her investment that Mercy went to Jojo Eleya. This, because this phone is not charged. Let me go near charger. Because I don't want Mercy's water spirit people to come and stop this chat. Sorry, the network to want to do what. You know this thing is spiritual battle. It's spiritual. Let me on the light, Abby. Is it okay? Are you people seeing me now? There's no need to on the lights. I have only one light on, a side lamp. You want me to? Are you seeing my face? Because I have to, before you go deep into why you are doing analysis, you have to first of all tell people who these people are. I'm introducing Mercy to you. Mercy is an actress, a Nollywood actress. In fact, I will not lie. It's even people that told me that if I see her on ground, she's not as beautiful as I always say. That she's not a CEO Lumini that make her look beautiful when she wear beautiful things. But me, I always say, Mercy is a beautiful girl. No doubt about it. I'm not going to lie about that. That as beautiful as she is, she's very wicked and very shameless. Even when you do such a thing, I believe you are supposed to do it as a celebrity in a manner that it can be eventually acceptable. But the way in which she went about her own and the pains fellow women have about it, like me, is that she was known to this woman's wife, to this husband's wife. She was a family friend and she was benching the man. That is the main pains. And she's number one enemy of that woman. Number one enemy. Mercy, wicked. As a woman, I'm supposed to say more, but I will withhold some things so that God will be the one to judge you. This matter, we are just analysts. Me, I'm just an analyst. I'm not related to Funsho. Neither am I related to Adikas. But when we see, we talk. You understand? I'm not related to any of them. But I got interested in that matter because Mercy was one time somebody I love. In fact, she was the one I loved the most on the media. In respect, when it comes to actresses, would like a gun. My husband calls her Omomi. I don't know how, but I love her. I love her beauty. I love her personality. I love her skin. I just love her. But right now, I don't like her anymore. But I don't hate her. I don't like her anymore. I thank God I didn't get close to her. Thank God. Assuming I was close to her, I would have been more pained than this. That, so this girl is really Omo Buruku bai. Daleru, Omo Buruku ni. So Mercy did it. She used her full chest carrier. Later, stories from people from their inner circle. You know when I say inner circle? Trust me. You know when I came and told you people that Funsho was on her way to Nigeria and she was in Nigeria, before anybody carried it, I told you people. Because I know people close to them. I know a cousin to Adikas. And I know somebody very close to Funsho until when Funsho then eventually came to this platform. I have never even spoken to her when I used to come to tell their story. Everything that I want to ask her, I didn't even bother because most of it, people close to them have told me. So before she even went to Nigeria, I had said it. So she obviously knew that there must be somebody close to her that is giving me information. first-hand information. So, Mercy is a destroyer of home. I don't pity Larry Gentry, because I met her in the movie industry. I knew her as Larry Gentry's wife. Until later I discovered that, oh, Larry Gentry's wife lives in Ireland, where I'm based, with his children. The first wife, Mercy snatched that Larry Gentry from the first wife. And you know, because the first wife is not like this man Adeka's wife, the first wife to Larry Gentry, she wanted her life and her children's life to be good. That's, she decided to keep quiet. Mercy was acting, you know, making people believe that Larry Gentry has two wives and the first wife acknowledges it. That woman left Larry Gentry for Mercy. She was never doing polygamy with them. But Mercy made we in the world to believe that she was a second wife, accepted to that family, which was a blatant lie. Until Larry Gentry came out to cry to the world that Mercy is an adulterer, Mercy has ruined his life. He was not writing Obasanjo's letter on his page. He was not crying wolf. I didn't pity him. I did not pity him because it was too late. As far as I am concerned, did you care about your first wife? You know, all these men, after they receive water outside, then they will expect we in the world to come and start fighting their useless battle. It's a lost battle. You are the useless one. If Mercy dealt with you, until right in our eyes, under our nose, Mercy then redid it. The same thing she did to Larry Gentry, now did it to Adekas. And that was where I picked it up from and said, no, this is unacceptable. You are a household name. Household name. No. You are a celebrity, even though they call you Yeye Brity. I don't see you people as Yeye Brity. I see you people as celebrity. It is bad. What is not good is not good. Your happiness should not be in snatching our husbands. No. Your happiness should not be in snatching the people that watch your home movies. Your supporters, your fans. If you have to stay unhappy to leave your supporters and your fans happy, I think it's a sacrifice. If you think that you must marry, why the husband of your fans or your friends? Why? It is okay if you want to go into polygamy, you want to marry a married man. Whom the wife and himself are not legally married, or they have always known that they will all eventually practice polygamy, that they will eventually practice it. It's okay. But this woman glaringly came out and told us, debunked all those rubbish lies. Adekas came and said, "Tell that like a puff puff." You know, I personally, even when they told me Adekas is a gentleman, and it is the gospel truth. In fact, I will tell you people one thing. The family of Adekas believe that what is happening to Adekas now is not normal. They believe that Mercy Shoguni quotes me. They don't think it's Ojulason. Because the Adekas they know is not as useless as this. He will not come out on the media that they should be barbing his hair. His glory. wọ́n gbé glory ẹ̀ jáde lórí kìíní, wọ́n gé orí ẹ̀, cutting his hair on the media. And he sat down like a mumu with his cheeks like that of puff puff that I ate by the roadside, and it's giving me running stomach. Am I making sense? In fact, the children are in shock because he's a good father. I am telling you people, quote me. The children are in shock. Let me off this fan because the AC is on. Before I go and wound myself with too much cold. The children are in shock. Do you know why? The man is a good father. As a matter of fact, Funsho herself knows this is not clear eye. That is the reluctance for the divorce. But she has to run. She has to be careful because Mercy have gone to do the unbelievable because of Adeka's. But I know he's going to regret it. Sadly, we'll all be around to see it. I don't know when, how, the time, but you always see. I don't blame all these people taking side with her. If you go and look at their history, they would have done the same to fellow women. I don't blame the people abusing me because of her. If you go and look at their history, they would have done personally the same thing or supported friends to do the same thing to their fellow friends. If you have integrity, you will never support Mercy. You will never support Mercy. Because, especially because she is supposedly, in quotes, a role model. But sorry, because of I must, and it's not as if she really needs Adekas for anything. She's just trying to prove a point. After she useless him, like she useless Larry Gentry, she's going to move on to a better person. She's going to move on to a better person. Then Adekas will have himself to blame. Who is this person saying, I don't even want, I'm not going to reply anybody. If you see people insulting there, just show me their name so that I slam them blocking. You can air your view. You don't have to come here on my platform. You people know where you go and insult yourselves. Don't ever come on my platform to insult me. Okay? Go on your platforms. You people know where you people do it. Go there and go and do your rada. Those of you saying she's not husband snatcher, the wife says Mercy snatched her husband, so she's husband snatcher. The wife, the real legal wife, she's the only one that have a right in this matter. Even Mercy not get any rights. She's the only one. They are still legally married. Quote me. The wife says Mercy snatched her husband. So, me ò fẹ́ gbọ́, and she's not they didn't snatch. I don't say that because the wife says. So if the wife says, then that's it. She's not a nuisance. That's why she doesn't come out to come and be attending to those of you that really need a clearer understanding of what Mercy have done to her. She has given you people small notes on her platform. Asiwaju Kucho, go there. Go and read. She has told you people a little bit And that's enough. If you can't read, tell your children to read for you. She has explained herself to many of you. Now, when this whole thing started, myself and Larit Shoe Village, I love that lady. I don't know why. Never seen her before. I've only patronized her once.